Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chem510. In this video, we will discuss about concentration of solution. So, let's start the video. Here, concentration of solution. Majority of reaction in the laboratory are carried out in solutions. So, which way to express the concentration? Then, the concentration of solution or amount of the solution present in the given volume of solution can be expressed in any of the following ways. First, mass percent or weight percent. Second, mole fraction. Third, molarity. Fourth, molality. So, what is mass percent? Mass percent is determined by following equation. This is equation which is mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100%. Example, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Then calculate the mass percent of solute. Answer, formula is mass percent of A means mass percent of solute is equal to mass of A upon mass of solution into 100. Then mass of A is 2 gram and mass of solution means 2 gram solute plus solvent, 2 gram plus 18 gram into 100. So 2 gram upon 20 into 100 is equal to 10%. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction is the ratio of number of mole of particular component of the solution to the total number of mole of solution. Formula for mole fraction. Mole fraction of A is equal to number of mole of A upon number of mole of solution. Mole fraction of A is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb. So, next, what is molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of mole of solute percent in a 1 liter of the solution. Formula for molarity. Molarity is equal to number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Molarity is denoted by capital M. Example, calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of solution. So formula, molarity is equal to number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Number of mole of solute is equal to mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of NaOH, and volume, here volume is given in milliliter, it converted into liter. So volume of solution in liter is equal to 0.250. Then molarity is equal to 4 gram divided by 40 upon 0.250. 0.1 divided by 0.250 is equal to 0.4 mole per liter. Means molarity is equal to 0.4 molar. Molarity of solution depend upon temperature because volume of solution is temperature dependent. Then molality. What is molality? Molality is defined as number of mole of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Formula for molality. Molality is equal to number of mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Molality is denoted as small m. Molality of solution does not change with temperature since mass remain unaffected with temperature. Example, the density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per liter. Calculate molality of the solution. Answer: molarity is equal to 3 mole per liter. Mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution is equal to 3 into 58.5 is equal to 175.5 gram. Then mass of 1 liter of solution is equal to 100 into 1.25 is equal to 1250 gram. Here density is equal to 1.25. Mass of water in solution is equal to 1250 minus 175.5 is equal to 1075 74.5 gram. So molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. 3 mole divided by 1.0745 kg is equal to 2.79 molar. So if you have any doubt about this, please mention it in comment box. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.